Mike. I just got a phone call from another concerned customer on how this SMC Configurator can be such an incredible tool, but yet not be able to supply in the normal bill of materials certain cables for field bus applications, including EX260 and some of the cables for EX600. So I thought I'd answer a few questions. In short, SMC does not typically give you cable applications or cable opportunities with their valve assemblies when you're building in the configurator, and the question is why, and I don't know why. But to remedy that, go to the catalog, and it's real easy, simple. It's either power or COM, and then follow your, whether it's Ethernet IP, IO link, PROFINET, etc. And there's really only two-ish choices that I normally use, which is a powered M12 to flying, and then on the COM it's usually a M12 to RJ45, which ends up being a PSRJ cable, I believe. But I know that doesn't help you when you're trying to do something quick, and why it's in the not in the configurator. It is a little bit in EX600, I believe, only in power. I don't know. Mike and I are going to provide people with a link request in a quick PDF form or a one-pager, so that you don't have to scour the internet to find it. And to do that, follow the link below. Have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving.